How to make keto almond protein breakfast balls. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 60 gram pea protein, ½ cup almond butter, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 cup unsweetened shredded coconut, 1/4 cup almonds, crushed, 1/4 cup golden flaxseed meal, 2 tablespoon coconut oil, as needed. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. 2. In a bowl, combine all of the ingredients together. Add in the coconut oil if the mixture is too dry. Stir to combine well. 3. Roll the mixture into small spoon-sized balls. Set on parchment paper. Let chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. 4. Then serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of keto almond protein breakfast balls. Each serving comes out to be 428 calories, 34.9 grams fat, 4.7 grams net carbs, and 21.7 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you.